Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sania
Waalaikumsalam
Trilena
warahmatullahi
from
wabarakatuh.
Group 13. Here I'm presenting the student thesis error analysis entitled The Use of Show and Tell Method in Teaching Vocabulary at at the second year students of Junior High School SMP Negeri 4 Galesong Selatan by Nur Vitasari. Well, for a short period of time, let's begin today's presentation. Human learning is fundamentally a process that involves the making of mistakes and errors. Second language learning is a process that is clearly not unlike first language learning. It's in trial and error nature. Error is a noticeable deviation from the adult grammar of a native speaker, reflecting the interlanguage competence of the learner. Mistake refers to a performance error that is either a random guess or slip in that is failure to utilize a known system correctly. The difference between error and mistake are first, the source of error is competence and mistake are performance. Second, the characteristic of error are systematic but mistake are unsystematic or random. Third, the duration of error is long and mistakes are short. And the linguistic system of error are not mastered yet, but in mistake are mastered. Five, the result is deviation also is in mistake. And the last, the correction in error is helped by authorities, teacher, but in mistake, the correction is done by student themselves. The types of error according to Dulay board correction, there are four types or error based on the survey strategy, taxonomy, omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. The methodology of error analysis, according to S. and Shidar, is as follows. First, collecting of the data. Second, identification of errors. Third, classification into error types. And the last statement of relative frequency of error types. Identification of error. First, relate to learning activities that will be done. This research use show and tell method. Type of error, omission. Explanation use is not appropriate for the sentence. For the sentence and word use would be more appropriate if the word is replaced with the reconstruction relate to learning activities that will be done. This research use show and tell method. Second, Laurie Patsalide in Ningsi 2014 state the benefits show and tell the method to development some aspect. Type of error omission. Explanation word state it must replace to states because the sentence is not past but is present. Reconstruction Laurie Patsalidis in Ningsi 2014 states that the benefits show and tell the method to development some aspect. Third, the learning process and do not to be bored when the teacher gave the material. Type of error addition. And fourth, the research concludes that the show and tell method can make students enjoy the learning process. Students can open their minds to mention. The type of error is addition. Explanation. Explanation, even if a sentence is grammatically correct, it still might be unclear or hard to follow. overpraising or unnecessary word force your reader to work harder to understand what you mean. Very long or overcomplicated sentence can lead to some problem. So cutting extra words, signing up isn't too long good ways to make your writing clearly. Reconstruction number third, the learning process and not to be bored when the teacher gave the material. Meanwhile, reconstruction number four, the research the research concludes that show and tell method can make easier can make easier for students to remember words by using pictures rather than just giving them a list for words. Identification of error number four. The research made the English teacher for asking his help and guidance in conducting the research. Type of error misformation. Explanation in the sentence for asking his help and guidance in conducting the research. The word his inappropriately used in the sentence. However, its meaning is not ambiguous. A more appropriate word is there. Reconstruction. The research made the English teacher for asking their help and guidance in conducting the research. And the last, vocabulary was the first element that English learners should learn. Type of error is misformation. Explanation, the form of noun used to show there are more than one. Most nouns simply add as or as to and to become plural. Reconstruction vocabulary was the first element that the English learner should learn. Well, that's all I can explain about the analysis of the mistake I found. Less and more I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.